Assalamu alaikum class. Hope you are doing well. First of all class, you have to watch all my previous videos, okay, which I recorded for you. Make sure you can watch all the series from the playlist and which is computer and electronic machine, okay. So this is the name of our first chapter of class 1. Open the page number 9. Here are the exercise. The first exercise is choose the correct words and write in the space provided. Okay. Look at the space. You can write the proper word, correct word in the space provided. So the first thing is, class, you have to read the statements and also read the options. Okay, these are the points, these are the options, and the one is correct. Choose the correct and also write here. So the first one is, a dash is an electronic machine. A computer is an electronic machine. Second is, a dash keeps our food and water cool. Washing machine, train, refrigerator. Which things keep our food and water cool? Refrigerator. Okay. Third one is, dash is used to watch cartoons. Option 1 is air conditioner, television, fan. Watch cartoons, television. Okay. Fourth one is, this is a picture of, okay, look at the picture. This is a picture of, is that a calculator, mobile phone, car? Look at the picture. This is a mobile phone. You can write the correct answer in the space provided. Is that clear? Very good class. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me at comment section here. Okay? And make sure you can subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz class.